Hey you guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So from today onwards, I will be creating some festive looks because the festive season is just knocking at our gate and we guys need to buckle up. So in this series, what I will be doing is I will be creating some very indie festive glam look which can be easily worn by any one of us and can be pulled through the entire day. And today is the first day of that series. In today's look, I have created a glittery smoky green eye look which I have paired with a emerald green colored sari, which is a very beautiful color. This color is very close to my heart. So yeah, and if you want to check out this particular base makeup routine, you need to head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @follow_me_mimi, and from there you can check out this entire base makeup routine. So without any more wasting of your valuable time, let's dive into the video. So now, as you can already see that I have prepped my eyelids, and to prep my eyelids I have used my all-time favorite PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain, and I have set my eyelids with my K-Beauty HD Translucent Loose Powder in the shade White. So I have used both these things to prep and prime my eyelids. So now, first things first, I will start with my eyeshadow palettes. So the first palette which I'm going to use right now is going to be my James Charles eyeshadow palette, which is this one, and I love using this one. And from this beautiful palette, I am currently going to choose my transition shade. And for my transition shade today, I'm going to choose like this color over here, this dark brown color over here, onto a brush like this. And I am going to link everything down below in the description box so that you can catch hold of everything that I'm using currently. So now, taking the color and dusting off the excess onto my brush, and I am going to put it onto my transition. So now I'm going to put this color onto my crease slowly and steadily. I'm not going to take a lot of color at a time. I'm just going to build it up as I go on, because adding color is very easy, but removing it is not easy at all. And so let's be very gentle and patient with our eyeshadow look. Now at this time, when I'm done with my brown shade and putting it onto my crease and blending it out a little bit, I'm just going to fill into like this lid area of my eyes, like this inner lid of my eyes, with a kohl pencil. And for a kohl, I'm going to use my Lakme Iconic pencil, which is this one, and it is in the shade green, as you can see. So I am just going to use this one onto my lids. So now at this point, when I'm done putting this green kohl pencil onto both my eyelids, I'm just going to take a brush and I'm just going to blend it outwards so that the gap between the green and the brown is matched up, and both the colors look put together and seamlessly bounded. So I'm just going to take a brush which is PAC 389, which is this one, and I'm just going to blend it out. So now at this point, when I'm done blending that dark green kohl color till my crease, what I'm going to do is I am just going to grab my ColourPuff Cosmetics, just my Luck palette, and from this particular palette I am just going to choose like this color over here called No Pamba. This is a very dark green color. As you can see, it's like the darkest green. So I'm just going to set that green kohl color with this particular color. So I am just using this color to set the kohl pencil, the green colored pencil which I used. But as I already have said you guys, that if you are using a black kohl pencil, then also you need to set it up with the green colored eyeshadow, like the darkest green color eyeshadow which is available to you. In any kind of smoky eye look, you need to use like a kohl pencil just because you need to intensify up the color of your smokiness. Otherwise, if you are directly using some powdered shadow or some pressed shadow, you are not going to get that dark pigment whatever color you choose. So that you to get that smoky, dark, intense feel, you need to use like a kohl pencil. It intensifies the color of your eyeshadow, and the other thing that it also does, it helps the eyeshadow color to stick onto your eyelids for the longest time. So now at this point, when I'm done setting the green kohl with the color called No Bamba, I'm just going to go and take the same palette all over again, and from this particular palette I am just going to choose this color called Charmed over here, which is this one, and taking this color. This is basically a khaki color, like a very dark khaki color. I think you can see it brown, but it is not brown. It is basically a very dark khaki color. So yeah, I'm just going to use this color onto a small brush like this, and taking this color, I am just going to put it onto my crease, just the area where the this green and brown is meeting. So I'm just going to put this color to create a nice gradient and transition between the two colors. So now at this point, when I'm done with that dark khaki color called Charmed, I am going to take my James Charles palette all over again, and from this particular palette I'm just going to choose like this color over here, and taking this color I'm just going to swipe it across my transition to give it that final nice soft transited and blended look. So I am choosing this brush over here and taking that color, dusting off the excess, and I am just going to start blending it out. I'm creating a very soft transition. I'm just using the brush in lightest motion, lightest force pressure. So now when everything is almost nice and done, I'm just going to go towards my lower lash line, and I am just going to decorate it up. And for my lower lash line, I'm just going to take my Just My Luck palette all over again, and from this particular palette I am just going to take this dark khaki color over here called Charm, which I use onto my crease. So now taking this color over here and dusting off the excess, I am just going to place it onto my lower lash line. So now at this point, when I'm done doing that lower lash line, I'm just going to quickly go back towards my upper lid, and for my upper lid I'm just going to put on some shimmers and glitters. Yes, this is my channel, you heard it right, and you'll definitely see something or the other which has some shimmer and glitters. So yeah, I'm just going to take my Just My Luck palette, and from this particular palette I am going to choose like this particular green color over here called 50/50, and taking this color over here I am going to put it onto this 3/4 part of my eyes, and then I'm just going to top it up with some loose glitters. So taking that color onto a flat brush like this, I am just going to take it and give one swipe of that. So now as you can see that I am done with that shimmery shade, that metallic shade from my Just My Luck palette, and as said I am going to put on some loose glitter, and for my loose glitter I am going to use the TF Beauty pressed glitter. So it is in the shade Tropic, as you can see, and it is by the brand TF Beauty. It is an Instagram store, and their handle is @shop TF Beauty. It's written over here. I will be linking everything down below in the description box. And taking this beautiful glitter over here, I am just going to put it onto the 3/4 part of my eyes. So now when I'm done with that, I'm just going to take my K Beauty kohl pencil, which is this one. It is in the shade Spade, which is basically a black kohl pencil, and I love using this one. So I'm just going to take this one and run through my upper lash line. So whenever you are doing a smoky eye or anything, running a kohl pencil onto the upper lash line is very crucial and very important. You should never skip the step. So when I am done with everything, I'm just going to go and put on some mascara. And before putting on the mascara, I'm just going to curl my lashes as I always do. I love curling my lashes because then the lashes become, a bit winged up. And now I'm done with my curler. I'm going to go towards my Benefits Roller Lash Mascara, which is this one. So I'm taking this, I am just going to run it generously through my lashes. So now at this point, when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies, and I will be right back. And for my falsies, today I'm going to use PAC M74 lashes, which are this one. So yeah, I'm just going to go and put this and I will be right back. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies and doing my lips. So this is my complete entire look. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.